Hey guys, Mossman50 here. Welcome to the second part of my double Jason Statham unboxing. And just in case you haven't seen the first one, guys, I just want to let you guys know I've still got a pretty bad cold and I'm pretty hungover, so yeah, I'm afraid if I completely fuck this up, I can't really help it, and I hope you get me the benefit of the doubt. And yeah, but anyways, first of all, I unboxed lips. Now, the mechanic. Picked these up from Asda. Pretty good prices. Can't remember how much exactly, but yeah. This is a fell. Let's open it up. Yep, pretty plain again. This. There it is, guys. That's pretty much it. This is Mossman50 signing out.